everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Crochet and Crafting with KJ. How are you today? I have a Herrschners haul for you, and then bonus, I went to JoAnns this morning, so yay! This time I ordered some yarn from Herrschners, but I ordered more kits. I wanted to try out a couple of their kits. First one I want to share with you is the Lakehurst cowl. The Lakehurst cowl came with two mandala thick and quicks, and this is the colorway turbine. This is a 6 yarn, category is 6, so it's definitely chunky. Show that to you. What I noticed, my end was a little unraveled. 3 strands there wrapped. Great fall colors. You got the really deep emerald greens, purples, navies, a wine, this really bright orange, and then a golden yellow, and back on out. So really lovely. The Lakehurst cowl came with the pattern, 2 of the thick and quick, an adhesive seal bag, which was this. I don't know, and it was all really bent up. You can see the wrinkles in here, and it was just shoved in there. The bag wasn't sealed, anything like that. But so I was kind of disappointed in that, and I'm kind of disappointed when, you know, they send you buy a kit and you get a piece of paper with a color picture on it. That's all right. So skill level's easy. Let's see, it says it's going to be about a 10 by 32. Takes a couple of these, an end hook and a large needle, and then everything in here is a chain, a double crochet, a single crochet. So it should be, you know, thick and quick, like they said. So again, this was $18, and for the Lakehurst cowl. Not bad. I'm gonna work on that this afternoon and see what that's like. The second one I got came in a bag. So I'll show you the bag. I do like these bags because they are nice to store yarn in. This is the Allure Winter Set. So in here I've got a headband, an infinity scarf, and the mitts. So I wanted to try that, and apparently I'm gonna be able to get all of those done with 3 balls of Herrschners Aran yarn. Color name is Aran. 100% acrylic yarn. It's a 4. This is the scratchiest yarn ever. You can hear it crinkle. So I definitely want to try this pattern, but I definitely don't want to use this yarn. This doesn't feel good at all. It doesn't feel like it would be comfortable to work with. Very scratchy. If you've used this yarn in the past, let me know in the comments what you thought. But it did come in this nice bag. I like the bags, so we'll definitely use that. So that's another kit I got. And then I got, whoa, it's rolling, the Twinkle pocket shawl. Pocket shawls are all the rage right now. This one's cute. It is, let's see here, easy. You need to be able to double crochet, single crochet. Oh gosh, I'm sorry guys. The Allure Winter Set cost $17.99. So you get the plastic zip bag, the set pattern, and the yarn. Okay. Twinkle pocket shawl cost $25. Again, they're using their Soho Noel in navy. You need an H hook, chain double crochet, half double crochet, single. This is pretty yarn. This is their Soho Noel, and you can just see the amount of glitter in there. I have a catalog here. Let's see what other colors it comes in, because I think this one's pretty. I hope it works up well. I got everything from the annual fall yarn sale. They do a nice job. It's interesting that the trend is going to more wearable pieces, which hasn't been that way before, but so it's interesting how these catalogs have changed over the years as well as the trends change. Gosh, I'm sorry, I can't find it. Of course you can't, because you're looking for it. Okay, found it. So the Soho Noel, can you see that all right? Comes in Mary Berry, Holly Leaves, I bet that's pretty. I might have to order that. Sugar Cookie, Soot, Twinkle, and Starlet. I bet that Holly Leaves is really pretty. So you get a purple, a gray, a cream, a navy. Well, this is the purple, the navy, gray, cream, green, red, and gold. If you want it, you can just see kind of that shimmer and shine, and you can see the royal blue coming in from the natural light of our kitchen here. That's pretty yarn, soft. It is A3. They're recommending a 5mm for knit, 5mm H, or 8 US for knit, H for crochet, 63% acrylics, 37% polyester, and there are 317 yards in here, machine wash and dry. So that is Soho Noel with the Twinkle pocket shawl pattern. So I'm looking forward to see how this works out. It doesn't seem very wiry. Like sometimes these yarns that have that metallic thread in them feel a little wiry. It doesn't. It looks good. All right, so I'm really excited about that one. That came out pretty. Back to Lion Brand, I ordered 2 of the tweed stripes. This is in the colorway Ladybug. I thought this was going, yes, I'm ordering it through a catalog, so I know, I understand that. I thought this was going to be a different colorway. Because when you look at the picture here, if you can see that, Ladybug here shows like, okay, I see the grays, I see, but that looks red and black to me. And you know, Ladybugs are red and black. So I was looking for something with a red and black in it. I didn't get it, but that's all right. This is pretty in its own right. It's got pinks and blues, like a greenish and blues, an orange and a gray, a yellow and a real light, that's an aqua, friends, I think, a green and a gold, and then back out to more magenta and blue, and then a bright pink and blue. So looks good. This is an medium 4. They're looking for a 7mm hook for knitting and an I 5.5 for crochet, and there's 426 yards in here, so very soft and lovely. I'm looking forward to that. Along with my order, they sent me the 2020 Lion Brand yarn catalog, and this is just nice. You can just see when you're looking through here, you know, what colorways there are. See, Ladybug again. That looks red and black. Okay. Anyhow, you get to see all their different yarns. I felt this one at JoAnns today. I'm not a huge cotton yarn person, but it looks nice. They had a lot of ice cream yarn at JoAnns too. Landscapes, I love landscapes. And let's see, Vanna's Choice, Feels Like Butter, and Go for Faux. So that was kind of a nice addition. I'll enjoy looking through that. Lastly, from Herrschners, I got was the Herrschners Pasty Puff. These are, I like these. They're very soft. They are a little bit wool, a little bit, they're 70-30, so 70 acrylic, 30% wool. They're small, 228. It's a 4, definitely a hand wash. H hook or size 8 needles. But this yarn is super soft, and the colorway is pretty, and it works up fast and it works up lovely. This is my second order of Pastry Puff in Modern. This was one of my best sellers. I had 2 different blankets in Modern. Previously I had like a big star with a crab stitch around that went fast, and just a rectangular granny square that went fast. So I'm going to do a Modern granny square in this one, and I got 6 of these, and it will take all 6 to get a decent sized, because it does work quick, and there isn't a ton of yarn in these. But again, only $3.50 for this one, and they have several colorways as well. I have a video about what I have there, but if you look through my channel, Cool Christmas and Evergreen I've had, and then the traditional. I haven't tried Country, I haven't tried Starry Night. There's another one with a more of a jeweled tone, green and red, that I didn't see on here. But so that's the Herrschners Pastry Puff. This yarn does have a bit of an odor. I don't know if it's from the chemicals that they dyed with or whatnot, but it does air out quite quickly, and you know, wool smells too. But it's so plush and it works like a dream. So if you're looking for some Christmas yarn, I would highly recommend the Herrschners Pastry Puff. It's just wonderful yarn. So I got that. All right, that's Herrschners. Yes, that's Herrschners. Okay. And then I went to JoAnns this morning because I got my friends and family coupon. So these are my first 2 purchases. I got a K hook because I wanted to work on the pocket shawl again. That J hook with the pink Lion Brand Denali is not going well. It is just, excuse me, it's just too tight. The end's gonna be too big, so I'm gonna try a K. And then I got some scissors, and I'm gonna hide these from my family because I catch my husband cutting mats off the dog's fur with my yarn scissors, or opening boxes, or they always end up in someplace different. My son hijacks them. So these are mine, and I'm gonna hide them. And then I just purchased 3 different kinds of yarn, and I got 4 each of them. So the first one I got was Scarfy. I love Scarfy. If you haven't used Scarfy before, this is great yarn. So 312 yards, it's a 5. It's wool, so 78-22% blend. They say using a, oh goodness, I need glasses. A K, yay, I bought that today. And 9 for knitting, which is a 5.5 millimeter. So this is the colorway Pink Silver. Isn't that pretty? It's such a blush pink. It's more peach to me, but I thought my nails were a little orangish too. So, you know, we all have our differences in what we see, but really lovely yarn. This would be great for a pocket shawl. This would be great for any kind of shawl or any type of infinity scarf. Oh, soft, love it. The next one that I got was, it's on a Lion Brand day apparently. Lion Brand Landscapes Fusion. Doesn't this just look like watercolors? They're so pretty and so delicate with the blues and the peaches and the purples and the pinks. I'm really excited about this one. So this is 100% acrylic. It is so soft. And I enjoy the different sizes in the yarn itself. Like, I don't like that knob right there. I'm not excited about that. But when you go from big to small and whatnot, it just makes it look, it's a fiber and it's going to be imperfect. And I think sometimes those imperfections make it even look better. But this is a wonderful, this one's called Morningside. Oh my gosh, so soft. Okay, 109 yards. It's a 4, 100% acrylic. They're saying 10 millimeter for knitting and a K. Yay, I'm in luck. That's my first K hook. K for crochet, which if you follow me on Instagram, it's KJ's Crochet, so with a K. So that's kind of fun. Okay. And then I didn't know, but they're now selling mandala at JoAnns. So I got the ombre there. Saw a lot of my old friends from the first generation of mandalas that came out. They had a lot of them there, like Wizard and oh, it's not Scorpion and it's not Slytherin and it's a snake-like name and it's yellow and brown and it might come to me, it might not. But I picked up Joy and I picked up 4 of these. I picked up 4 of the Fusion, 4 of the Scarfy. This is really pretty. It's got that really deep, deep purple, almost brown in there. And then it comes out to this dark violet and into like a hot, not a hot pink, excuse me, a magenta with the gray and then back out. So you've got this lovely purples. So pretty. The mandala here, it's a 4, 344 yards, 100% acrylic. I need glasses. Well, I need them on my head. I hook for crochet, 7 for knit. And this is Joy. This is really pretty. So I've got 12 things of yarn, the scissors and the hook. I had a 40% off of a regular price item and 25% off my total purchase. So that whole order from JoAnns was $78. So I was excited. I haven't been in a JoAnns or Michael's since March. It was my first jaunt in there in a while. So really exciting for me. But so these are my purchases today. I hope you are having a wonderful day. I am going to go and get started on this mandala Thick and Quick and see what that's about. And I'm going to find a place for all of these others. And I hope you have a wonderful day and be safe out there and take care of one another. Like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks for joining me. Have a wonderful day.